Hey friends, this is me again with another video. In this video I am going to explain you about yes, REST, not this REST. So this will be basic information which will give you the idea how REST came into the picture, a little bit about the history. So what each letter stands for. Even though there is SOAP, what is the need of REST here? In the simple terms, REST is a standard by which each device can communicate with each other. Let us go back to the history where there is only dynamic websites available there. It looks like history now, right? Okay, those days only this business is limited to only small community of peoples who visited only to their websites. So business started exploring other option uh, with a one intention, that is which needs a less collaboration and less integration challenges. So, and the specification should be so simple that any other website or developer can jump into this opportunity and start implementing their own version of the specification with less documentation or no documentation. Technically, Salesforce is the first company who started selling their APIs. Soon after that, eBay started implementing their own version of the API. And these API specifications are so simple that other websites and developers started implementing those in their website. So the customer base is not now limited to the eBay website only. It is way beyond that. The other website who consumed their eBay API and started implementing their own. Flickr set on another stage in the social share by extending their web APIs beyond their platform. So let us come back to the present now. It looks like present now. Nowadays more devices are connected than ever. So from the smart devices like smart watches, smart TV, smart homes, IoT devices and heavy machinery, almost everywhere the apps are running and sending the data to the server. So wait, are you saying this REST is only helpful in the social networking and entertainment by installing the YouTube app in the mobile phones and started watching those movies? No, friends, it is not all about that. So take an example of healthcare. By wearing a health band, that band can send the data, essential data to the doctor and to the patient itself. So in case of an emergency, a doctor can directly intimate call to the can reach to the patients and give the whatever advice is needed to them. So these apps which are run in a different platform are developed by different community of developer having different skill set. So these REST specifications are so simple that anybody can directly go to the documentation or directly jump into the specification and started writing their own version of the app by extending the REST API. Wait. We now understand what is the history of the REST, how it came into the picture. But SOAP is already there. What is the need of REST then? So, friends, that is coming to the basic point, that is the integration and the collaboration. So, in case of SOAP, SOAP works in a arbitrary operation RPC world with WSDL. So in case of you want to update something in the server, if the new resource is added to the server, so the client need to update their so-called binary component proxies. Uh, so you are saying in the REST case it's not happening. So in the REST case, actually the component, the HTTP protocol itself is a component. So that is not that much of it. So the main problem here is we are living in an era where the API clients are not only the organizations, it's catered to individual developers also. So it's not at all easy. If you are updating something in the server, then you have to go to individual developers and ask them to update. It's nearly impossible. So which REST helps by simply updating their documentation. The developer can go through the documentation and implement on their new resources. Another factor, every device has their own limitation and advantage. Take an example of your mobile phone and your PC. So in case of a mobile phone, it has a limited bandwidth and a battery, but the PC don't have that limitation. So maybe the mobile needs a different data format and than PC. So let us now go through the each and individual letter, what each letter stands for. REST stands for representation of state transfer. So representation, as I already said, that the mobile need a data in a different format than the PC. So a PC might want the data in XML format, and a mobile might need the data in the JSON format. So the REST API says our API should be that flexible. So based on the customer need, the or client need, it should give the data to the client. And presentation, obviously we are going to send a object that is a state of a data to the client. So that completes the second part, that is state. So the third part is transformation. Obviously we are going to send the data via any HTTP media to the client, that is called transformation. Friends, REST API is the new backbone for internet. So it's not about sharing the photos or retweet or working with the 5 petabyte of data. It shines everywhere. So for a REST API, the sky is the limit. Do let me know in the comment section how do you like about this video, and if you have a suggestion also, you can put it in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, I am going to explain about all the specifications of the REST. Thanks for watching.